And I mean, if you are wondering what I'm talking, I mean, hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If this is the first time you're here, you're welcome. My name is genevieveabumchi, and in today's video I'll be reviewing some eyeshadow palettes. Okay, I recently got some eyeshadow palettes from Myntra and I was so amazed by the quality, the texture, the pigmentation of this palette. So I was like, no, I will come here and show you guys. Like, I want to share this good news with you guys, you know. So if you're a beginner or you want to buy an eyeshadow palette and you are still confused on what to get, so this video is for you. Okay, keep watching this video because this video is for you. And at the end of this video, you will decide whether you want to buy this palette or not, whether you need it or not. And then you will also know how to get the kind of eyeshadow palette that will suit you or your taste. Okay, so let's right into this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let's get right into this video. So yeah, these are the palettes that I'm talking about. This is the Patricia Rich in Color palette, and this is the White Animal palette. These two palettes are from the same brand, that is Makeup Revolution, and I got both of them from Myntra at a very discounted rate. These two palettes are amazing, guys. They are wonderful. I don't know, but okay, let's open it up and let's stop talking. So I got these two palettes from Myntra, and this is how the Patricia Bride palette looks like. I mean, the packaging was really nice and sturdy. They even used something like a paper wrap to cover the whole palette so that it doesn't get damaged during the dispatching. And this is how the palette looks like. This is how it looks like. This palette is cruelty free and it is vegan, and it comes in 28 colors, guys. It comes in 28 colors. That's like a huge one. And let me open it up so you can see the goodness of what I'm talking about. And yeah, so this is how the palette looks like, guys. Look at it. It comes in with a mirror, and this is it, guys. So if you are someone that loves playing with colors, or you want to get a colored eyeshadow and you don't know what to buy and you don't know how to get, like if you're looking for palette that have red, blue, green, yellow, you know, all those colors, so here it is, guys. This is it. You don't need to look for that. You don't need to look for that because this is it here. So the first thing you would want to know is the colors of this palette. So the shades are beautiful, and each shade has a name on it. Like, each of the shades has a name on it. I'm going to be reading out the name so you guys can see it and know what I'm talking about. And the first one is this one here. The name of this one is Shimmering. This one is Love Song. This one is Queen. This one is Model, Honey Pot, Allspice, Pillow Talk, Hell Elegant. Wow, this is a pressed glitter. This wow is a pressed glitter. This is Reckless. This is Green Juice. This one is like a neon green. This is Fruit Punch. This is Vitamin C. Okay, this is Ocean Deep. This pink is popping, guys. And this one is Taste the Rainbow. This is a birthday cake. This is Retreat. This is Guess Peaches. And this one is Flames. This one is also a pressed glitter. This one is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to use this. And this is Nobu. This is Nobu, and I also love this too, blue. And this is Mist Call. This is No Exit. This is Wifey. This is Trendsetter. This is Desert. This is Miss Tropicana, and this is Backstage. Can you guys imagine, like, what are they talking about? What are these names? The names are so beautiful, guys. I love them. I love the names. So at the end of this video, I'll be swatching it through on my hands, all of the palette, all of the colors. I'll be swatching them on my hand, and I will show you guys. So stay tuned, and so you can see the way the shades turned out to be. I mean, the pigmentation is very important to know whether it is pigmented or not. Okay, so let's see the next palette. Okay, let's see the next palette. So this is the white animal palette in Courage. This one also have other varieties, and this is the one I got. I also got this one because I love the shades in it. I'll open it up and I will show you guys what I'm talking about. So this one is also cruelty free and it is vegan, and it comes in 18 shades. It comes in 18 shades, guys, and yeah, it's nice, it's good, and I also love the sizes of the shades. So opening it up, this is how it looks like. The same thing, like even this one is more finer than this one. This one is finer than this one. Look. So opening it up, it also has a mirror, and this mirror is covered with a nylon or something. So yeah, and this is how the palette look like, guys. Look at it. Look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful. I love this palette, and the reason why I got this one was because I love the brown shades, the deep brown shades in it. This one here, this one here, and this one here, and this one. I love everything, even the green ones, even like everything is beautiful, guys. I love it. So if you're someone that love all these neutral tones, then this palette is for you, because all you need to do is like go over with this light brown, then go over your crease with this dark brown, and choose any of the shimmer color and put it on your eyelid, and you are good to go. So this is it, guys. Okay, so I'll be swatching through this palette. I got this palette on Myntra, like I said before. I got it on Myntra, but this palette is available on Amazon, it's available on Nika, it's available on Myntra, but I got it on Myntra because the prices was so good. Price was so good. I'm whispering. I'm whispering because I don't want anybody to hear me. So it's only you guys that can hear what I'm saying right now. So if you want to get the Patricia Bright Rich in Color palette, I would advise you to go to Myntra because the prices there are more reasonable than the one on Nika. The one on Nika is so expensive on Nika. You won't even want to buy it. So I won't be telling you guys how much about this palette, okay? I won't be telling you guys how much about it. Just go and see for yourself, okay? Go and see for yourself. And I needed this two palette because I don't have any eyeshadow palette that have colors, like different colors in it. I have one before, but that palette, I would say that it was my mistake to buy something that doesn't even have name, or buy something that is cheap, okay? When you are investing and you want to invest right, please buy something that has quality and has name, okay? Quality is better than quantity, guys. Don't argue with me, we're not arguing here. So at the end of the video, I'll be swatching through all the palettes, and then I'll be showing you guys how all the colors or all the shade looks like. I don't know if I'll be able to swatch up to all the 28 shades, but I'll try my best and swatch the beautiful ones that I love in the palette. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. At least it will help you decide whether you need this palette or not. And if you're someone that likes to play with colors, the Patricia Bright Rich in Color palette is for you. If you're someone that loves neutral tones, that don't like all those plenty colors, okay, the white animal palette is for you. Then if you are someone that loves both of them like I did, then grab both of them. You are good. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you love this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up. If you need any questions regarding today's video, or you want me to recommend some things for you, I will gladly do that. And please do your research, watch reviews on YouTube. It's very important to do that because I did that before I buy anything I want to buy. So watch reviews on YouTube, and that will be helpful in buying and saving more money. If Revelation is watching this video, yeah, I love these two eyeshadow palettes, and I am so amazed by your work, guys. I'm so amazed. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for all your love. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.